Hey, what's up, guys? Nice to have you back. So today we're gonna learn how we can hide mobile apps, pictures, videos, audio records, and other files on a mobile device. For example, if you actually don't want some persons or anybody that just got access to your phone to access some of your apps, you can follow through this step to secure them, to secure your app, your pictures, and so on. So what you just need to do, you have to head over to the menu section first, and then you search for Google Play Store, which we have here. Yeah, so you just click on Play Store, and then it brings you to this screen. So what you need to do then is to search for hide app. Just good. So we have it here. So it's when you search for it, it's going to bring you to this screen where you have series of different apps, but the one we're going to be using right now is this hide you calculator lock. So I'll click on it. So at first it's going to prompt you to install the app, but I've already installed it, so I'm just going to open it from here right now. On opening it, first it's going to prompt you to insert a 4-digit pin that will grant you access to the app. I've already inserted the 4-digit pin, so I'm just going to use it here now. Okay, so if you click on the equal, so it will lead you to the main user interface of the app, which has the feature for you to hide those apps. So from here, you see, if you want to hide app, you just need to click there. I said we should so it brings us here. From here, it's telling us here that if we actually want to use this calculator app to hide apps on our phone, then we will need to enable it as our default home launcher, like default home app, you understand? So if I click on this now, the entire UI of my phone changed. It just changed. So I'm currently using their launcher, and that's what will enable us to be able to hide any app we want on our device. So if you want to hide app, you just have to click on the calculator, and then you just put in your pin, your 4-digit pin. You click on the equal to, and then you just click on this hide app. So it will give you a list of apps that you can hide from here. So you can click on any one. For example, if I want to hide my X app for Twitter, I can just click on it, and it's successfully hidden right here. So that's just it. I can go back. These two apps now, WhatsApp Business and Twitter, are hidden. So thereafter you can go back to your home screen. But the only part of this app I think isn't really cool with me is the fact that I need to use their launcher from to be able to hide apps on my phone. While if you want to exit this hide app, if you feel you want to just go normal with your phone as usual, you just click on the calculator icon, and then you put in your pin again. Thereafter, you can just click on this restore home screen. Once you click on it, it says that restore to the original home screen will reveal hidden apps. Do you wish to proceed? So you can just say yes, and then you can select your home screen again, and you're done with this. I hope this video is helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please do it to click on the like button, and if you want to get notified when I release more content later, you can just hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Thanks, and do have a nice day.